Hello everybody, it's Anne from Anne's Stampin' Up. Welcome to another card making day here in Simcoe, Ontario, where I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. If you live in Canada and you don't have your own demonstrator, you can shop with me. You can reach me at stampsandtea@gmail.com, or my demonstrator website is stampsandtea.stampinup.net. So welcome everybody. As you know, it's almost time for the new annual catalogue to begin. It begins on May the 1st, and we've got a little sneak peek of another product, a new product that's going to be in the annual catalogue here. It's called Country Flowers, and it has stamps, dies, DSP. I think it even has gems. All good stuff that all the colours mix well together. So let's turn the camera down and we'll get started. So this is the stamp set, Country Flowers, and these are the dies that go with them. You've got a nice little stool and almost like a milk can, a teapot, beautiful flowers, ferns, and some nice sayings in there. You've also got the dies to cut out all of the parts there, and a few extras, little flowers and what have you. The DSP, which just means Designer Series Paper, is, let me think, Basic Beige, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink and Smoky Slate. And it's all lovely papers. There's a beautiful, almost denim paper on the back. And it has a very pale, almost non-existent pattern. And then you've got a stripe. And then you've got petal pink with flowers. Now that pattern there is almost carried through into all the other papers. This one you see is your basic grey, and it's almost the same pattern. You got another beautiful denim there and petal pink, and you see then you've got this almost the same shape of the flower and everything. And it's a basic grey on the back, and then you've got almost a denim blue again, and just a beige, basic beige on the back. So today, well, let me take a step back. This week I've been busy, okay, and I almost forgot about my video. So this is going to be one quick video using parts that I had on my desk and odds and ends. You can see where I've been playing with the stamp set, and I've coloured a stool there, and I've got some more flowers to cut out and colour there. And I've got some parts that I've already coloured. And we're going to use those to make a card. It's going to be a quick and simple card today. It's going to turn into a Mother's Day card. And I've got some parts here. We've got your basic, this is Smoky Slate cardstock, and it's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then we've got a couple of pieces of paper from the DSP package. We've got this lovely petal pink and this lovely smoky grey there. Basic grey, smoky grey, and we're going to put them on the card front like that. Okay, just for a little bit of something different this week, variation. Then I've got some parts that I've already cut out and coloured, and I've got a beautiful sort of a bouquet of flowers. I thought a teapot would be nice for Mother's Day, and it's all going to sit on a stool. Okay. One of the stamps that we're going to use the Happy Mother's Day stamp out of the Stippled Roses set, because it's a nice size and it's going to work well on the card, I hope. So what I think I should do first of all is stamp in the corner of this grey piece of DSP, because I want to make sure I get my Happy Mother's Day right on there in the corner, and then I can work my stool and my flowers around it, you see. Now my teapot is light balmy blue, and the teapot, by the way, is just a plain teapot, okay, but there was another little stamp in there, this one here, the little just 4 leaves really, and I decorated the teapot. It was just, I thought the teapot was a bit too plain for me. So let's see if we can get Happy Mother's Day stamped in the corner. Well, there's my finger in the stamp already. Goodness gracious. And we're using Memento Black for the stamp. And I used Memento Black to stamp all my parts, and then coloured with the alcohol markers. Let's hope this works. That worked nicely. And as I say, between going to work and coming home and realising I hadn't made a video this week, I had to have a little quick panic and a quick think of what I could do. So I'm using parts off my desk, little bits that I've cut out. I have all sorts of things on my desk, you know, pieces that go to other cards and pieces that don't go to other cards, and you know, scraps that I've cut out here and there. I think that's off the ice cream set. Oh, it is. There's a cone to go with it, and you know, cupcakes to celebrate. You just don't throw all the parts away. You need to keep them because you never know when you're going to need them in a pinch. Right, so I think we'll put these pieces together first, and I'm just going to use liquid glue to put my my DSP down onto my card, because using liquid glue I'll be able to swing it around a little bit if I need to, move it around a little bit if I need to. So let's have a look now. Is there a top and a bottom? No, there's no. It doesn't matter which way this paper is going to lie down. That off right now. Right, so make sure the card is opening the right way, and this is going to go right to the back edge, and I should have about a 1/4 inch on all 3 sides. Push it a little bit if I need to. There we go. Turn that over and give it a good press. So this piece of DSP was, let's find a ruler, 4 inches by 5 inches, and that gave me a 1/4 inch top, side and bottom. All right, this next piece, the basic grey, is 4.5 by 3 3/4. So we're going to do the same thing with that. I'm just going to put it on the front of the card, and making sure I've got the Happy Mother's Day at the top. Just needs a little extra press. Going right to the back edge, and I should have about a 1/4 inch all the way around. Oops. There we go. Turn it over and give it another good press. Alright. So while we're here and gluing, we can put this piece on the inside. Now I've left it blank so you can write a nice note for Mother's Day. This is 4 1/4, 5 1/4 by 4. Just put that on the inside. Just like that. Okay, So now we've got to see where the stool and everything can go. So we've got the stool here, then we've got the teapot resting on the stool, and then we've got some flowers, and we may just have to turn the flowers a little bit here and there to make, actually they look lovely just sitting there like that. And you see we've still got the whole sentiment that you can see. So you know what, that's going to work well. I'll just put that down just like that so I know how to pick it up. We'll put the teapot down. No, we'll put the stool down first. And I'm going to put the stool and the teapot down flat. And we'll put the flowers up on dimensionals. Just for a little bit of variation. Okay. The stool's going to go there. Teapot. Just putting a tiny little bit of glue around the teapot handle because I don't want it to squeeze out everywhere. I'll just set that right on the stool. There, and then we'll put a couple of dimensionals on the back of the flowers. Let's see, how many have we got? Right there. There we are. So that's it. That's today's card, a Happy Mother's Day card, just in time for Mother's Day. Oh, you know what? We've got some lovely little gems here that would finish it off. What are they called? Iridescent foil gems. And if you look carefully, some of them have like little bits of gold in and some just have little bits of silver in. I think we're going to try 2 or 3 with the silver in. Let's have a look. There's a nice one with silver in. You know, we can use these to fill in spaces. Do whatever we like today. And up there. There. And that just finished it off. Yes, that's nice. So there it is. Today's card, a Mother's Day card, quick and simple. There it is. Quick, simple card, ready for Mother's Day. That's it for this week, everybody. Have a great week, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.